everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new makeup tutorial. This is for Valentine's Day. I'm super excited. I'm starting by using this really orange heavy concealer by Becca. I've been using this a lot because I have a lot of dark circles and I need to neutralize them somehow. So this neon orange helps me a lot. And then I'm using the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I adore this cream. It's so creamy and it hydrates my skin so much, and it covers pretty much everything from the orange, so I don't really have to worry about coverage too much. And then I'm gonna powder everything with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is super cheap and I love it. I've been using it for ages. For my brows, I'm gonna be using this brow pomade by Nabla in the shade Neptune. It's a little bit dry because I've had it already for like a couple of months, so I used this hack that I watch on Instagram. You have to put a little bit of contact solution and it should work. For the eyes, I'm going to be using two palettes. This one is the Warm Neutrals by NYX. I'm using this palette to define my crease and make sure we have like a good transition shade for the next shade that I'm going to be using, which is called Swan by Kat Von D. Actually, my friend Lady suggested that I should use this one because it's so grungy and oh my god, I love it so much. It's like this gorgeous red orangey color. I love it. I wasn't going to use any eyeliner, but I'm like, dang, I just cannot not use it, so just a little bit. And then using the I Love You So Mochi palette on the inner corners, and just apply mascara, and that should be it for the eyes. For my contouring, I'm using two shades. I'm mixing them together. I'm super pale at the moment, so I can't go too harsh in the contouring. And this is my face of like, oh my god, yes, girl, yes. I'm gonna be using like a peachy shade blush, and this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. It's with it's the one with the collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. So if you follow Nikki, you know that she loves the glow. So this highlighter is like super pigmented, but it's gorgeous. For the lips, I didn't want to like go too harsh again or define them a lot like I usually do, so I went for like this undefined kind of like biting lip. And the makeup should be done. I actually like the combination of the blue contacts with the orange tones. It turned out pretty well. I'm using these boots by Shein. I think they were like $20. I'm so happy with them. They're not the best boots or shoes, but I don't know, I love the platform and everything. And you guys asked me a lot where this corset was from. I got it out of Amazon. I actually bought it from my Widowmaker cosplay, just in case the other thing didn't work. But I love it so much, I ended up using it as like a normal outfit. So there it is. Hope you guys like it and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I don't really celebrate it, but I want to do the makeup tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye. Bye.